how to create quotation in Zoho Books. To create a quotation, quote, in Zoho Books, follow these detailed steps. First, log in to your Zoho Books account. On the left sidebar, click on Sales. Under Sales, select Quotes. In the Quotes page, click the plus New button located at the top right corner. On the new quote page, fill in the required details. Customer name. Click the drop-down and select the customer. You can add a new customer by clicking plus New Customer if needed. Quote. This auto-populates, but you can click the Settings gear icon next to it if you want to customize the quote number. Reference. Enter any internal reference number. Quote date. Defaults to today's date. Click to change if needed. Expiry date. Select the date until which the quote is valid. Salesperson. Choose the salesperson handling this quote from the dropdown. Project name. If applicable, select an existing project or click plus Add New to create one. Select Price List. Choose a price list to apply to the quote. Item table. Add the items and quantities you want to quote. You can apply price lists to individual items under the Rate column dropdown. After entering all details, you can add terms and conditions or customer notes if needed. Once everything is filled out, click Save to store the quote as a draft, or Save and Send to email it directly to the customer. You can also click the drop-down next to Save and Send for options like Save and Send Later or Save and Print.